In this video, we're going to look into a quick comparison between Qodo versus Cursor versus Windsurf. So let's look into each one of these platforms. Qodo. Qodo is a collaborative AI-powered code editor, as you may know. It's built for teams. Okay, it integrates deeply with especially like GitHubs and allows teams to pair programs, review and ship code effectively, obviously with the help of AI agents. Okay, their target audience are engineering teams, startups and remote developers. The core features is that it have GitHub integration, it has AI programming and code reviews, and it has a shared collaborative workspace. Cursor, on the other hand, here it's an AI based first code editor based on Visual VS Code. Okay, that's Cursor. So it focus like or tightly on integrating GPT power like ChatGPT powered coding assistants directly into the developers workflows. It's best usable for individual developers and startup people. Okay, their core features include local and remote context aware code suggestions, chat based coding assistance, and it also supports VS extensions. Windsurf, on the other hand, here it's like a lesser known, but it's at the moment it's a rising AI code workspace built around reproducibility and in reproducibility environments. Okay, it emphasizes execution, tracking, and environments. Their target audience are mostly like researchers, data scientists. Okay, you have like some of its features are the versioned execution, environments, notebook like workflow, and AI assisted debugging, and a Git and Conda integration. So if you look into some of the pros and cons of each of these platforms, is that Qodo is great for teams and collaborations. Okay, it has built-in code reviews, but it's not so ideal for solo developers or still maturing in features. Cursor, it's pretty good. It's a pretty good VS Code familiar. It's VS Code familiar UX GPT, and it has native features and excellent inline suggestions. But it has limited team or collaboration features when compared to other platforms here. Windsurf is strong on reproducibility, plus code hybrid and good for ML workshops. But the cons is that it has a steeper learning curve, so might be issue for some, especially young developers. Okay, so you can choose Qodo if you're working on a team-based project, especially in a startup or remote setup, and you need structured collaboration with AI assistants. And you can use Cursor is best when if you're like a solo developer or a beginner who wants fast GPT integrated coding inside a familiar like VS Code experience. And you can go for Windsurf if you're like doing a research or an experiments on data science and you care about reproducibility and versioning, then probably Windsurf would be the ideal option for you. And that's basically pretty much it is. Hope the information helps.